Hi guys, my name is Faisal. You are watching Technology in the Future. We are back with the latest iPhone 14 news. This year is unlike any year for Apple and the customers, one that will change everything. We'll also take a look at what Apple's future iPhone design and look like beyond the iPhone 14's whole bunch and when we can expect the dream full screen iPhone Plus. Exciting news reporting the future beyond iPhones with Apple's groundbreaking next big thing, the AR headset. First, let's talk about the emotional damage that Apple is about to inflict on the assets of the masses. It was widely rumored that the iPhone 14 series will be the most expensive iPhone lineup ever. And well, it seems like that is true. According to the recent leaks, the production cost for the iPhone 14 lineup has gone up significantly compared to the last year models, which is why you and me, the customer, will pay the ultimate price for it. Apple is indeed expected to bring $100 price increase for all iPhone 14 models, making this the most expensive iPhone lineup ever since the iPhone X. Now guys, tell me this, what's more painful? A phone that costs $900 or a phone that costs $900 but comes with a 60Hz display. Yes, in case you don't know, the non-Pro iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max are indeed rocking a 60Hz refresh rate display, which is something that is completely outdated in the Android world, even if you look at the chipset phones that are costing $250. Like honestly, I cannot remember that last time I used the Android phone no matter the price point with a 60Hz display. Yet Apple will somehow try to justify this on stage. But seriously, even Apple fans should agree that 60Hz refresh rate should not exist on a $900 phone in 2022. At this point, the current iPhone 13 Pro lineup are looking so much of a better deal than the non-Pro iPhone 14 models. It's definitely some emotional damage. One thing that Apple is really good at this with the performance, and despite not having any major change to the Apple's A16 chip inside the iPhone 14 lineup, Apple will still be the best in the game. According to the recent info from TrendForce, Apple is indeed upgrading the RAM across all iPhone models, starting with 6GB of RAM, which is an upgrade from the 4GW what we saw on the RAM Pro iPhones. It's also a faster DDR5 RAM compared to the last generation. Also in the news, Rose Young has shown a forecast of when to expect the full screen Dream iPhone and what design changes you should expect on the future iPhone in the coming years. And well, based on this, we are going to see the full screen iPhone by 2026. Yes, it caught the time Apple will take its sweet time from pinhole on the iPhone 15, then going under Face ID, first still having punch hole on the iPhone 16, and then by 2026 by some miracle Apple will offer everything under the display, giving you a full screen iPhone 18 by 2026. I definitely think that Samsung will be able to bring the under display camera on the Galaxy S series before Apple. They already have the under display camera on one of their prime devices for this year. Coming soon, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. It's definitely not quite there yet, but soon we'll be able to see this on a traditional smartphone. Now speaking of the future, Apple next big thing is the AR headset, which is said to be something that could even potentially replace the iPhone. In a recent shocking news, Apple has filed a trademark for Reality OS. From the looks of it could be the name for Apple's groundbreaking OS for its AR headset. Since WWDC is right around the corner, a lot of people expected that we could see something recording the AR headset at the event, but according to Mexico, this will not happen as the AR headset is a big deal for Apple. They will likely unveil this at an event specific of this product. With the new trademark, it seems like Apple is definitely very serious about this AR thing, and we could possibly see this coming out soon so that all the latest news, the iPhone 14 series, despite having the new whole design, whether you like it or not, they are going to be a price we all have to pay, and yeah, it is what it is. That's it. For now, for more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. You will take care of yourself. Bye bye.